हाय ऑल, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। सो टुडे हियर वी हैव सम मैसेजेस फ्रॉम द डिवाइन masculine to the divine feminine. This time which is going on is actually very difficult for the divine masculine as well as the divine feminine. They both are struggling through their own parts, and here the divine masculine wants to express his heartfelt messages to the divine feminine so that she can get some support in this difficult time and she can be hopeful for the successful reunion. So here it goes. Hey dear, I know this connection of ours is just meant to be. My soul knows it very well now. I know you are tired of waiting and hoping, but dear, let me tell you, union is coming closer. It will come sooner than you expect. I don't want my problems to affect us in any way. I want you to keep away from all these things. That's only why I don't let you know sometimes the real thing that I'm going through. I know you two are very protective of me. You two don't want problems to come my way. I was searching for so long for a love like this, and when I finally got it, it scared me like hell. I have searched for you my entire life. When we are together, everything seems to be disappeared for me. I've missed those sweet kisses of you. I feel them sometimes as if you're near me physically. Our angels are with us, dear. You don't have to worry. They want our union to happen soon. Our nature is entirely different, but this gives a beautiful twist to our love relationship. I won't let you down at any cost, my love. I know it has been a long time now since we last met or talked, but please know that this time apart is only to polish our souls and make them grow higher. We have very less time for inner healing as union is getting closer and closer with each passing day. We only have to work on ourselves in this time. I want us to utilize this time wisely. When we will finally reunite this time, there is no going back. We only have to move forward together. Our relationship is beyond this life. Once we reunite, it will be forever, and we cannot enter into this union phase without being healed perfectly. I love you, your DM. So the DM wants to, you know, kind of console the divine feminine in this bad times of separation, that she needs to be very hopeful for the union and it is bound to happen, but this time it is very difficult for the masculine as well as the feminine. So she needs to have that courage which she needs to have right now so that she can gracefully heal her soul and heal her wounds so that reunion can be can take place sooner. Thank you.